How to fix app not installed error on Android in 2 minutes. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your settings. Move into apps. Tap on see all apps. Scroll down and search for the application Google Play Services. And then head over to it. Move into storage and cache. You need to clear the cache of this application. Once it has been cleared, go back and search for the application Google Play Store. And then head over to it. For this application too, move into storage and cache and clear the cache of this application. Once it has been cleared, now the next thing you want to do is to head over to your Play Store. Tap on your profile at the top right corner. Move into Play Protect. Click on this gear icon at the top right corner. Now all you want to do is disable both of these options. And then click on Turn Off. Well, once it has been turned off, you'll be able to download any of the application and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial on how to fix app not installed error on Android. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.